just finished whitewater rafting somewhere outside of Heredia. I'm not sure. On our way to Arenal, which is an active volcano. We're cruising through the countryside right now. So we're at a place where there's iguanas all over the place in these trees. Pretty rad. Yeah, check this out. These iguanas are absolutely the biggest iguanas I've ever seen in my life. Look at this guy. Oh, I don't know what that was. See that guy? Huge. Huge, huge, huge. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm counting 12 in this tree alone. They're everywhere. Taking a hike through the bottom part of Arenal.
We're going to hang it right after the bridge.
We're in the rainforest of Arenal. It's very fresh, fresco. The rainforest. Lush. I think it's a little salamander right here.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Volcano, very active. I tried to see some lava last night, but it was too foggy. Natural thermal hot springs here just off of Arenal. There's this great yeah, I've been back there.
Oh, you have?
Yeah. I'm getting ready to shopping for a arbolist de Navidad, also known as a Christmas tree. Jerry needs one, our tour guide for his house.
Wait, let's pull it out.
So we're going up the mountain to Waterfalls volcano. That's a gorgeous scenery up on the way. Trees right there. So we stopped for un café to go. Muy bien, muy rico.
Okay. Aquí unas hermosas montañas.
Sí.
Allá tenemos el volcán Poás.
Sí, es el volcán Poás.
Hermoso volcán con un hermoso día. Vean el sol. El sol. Un hermoso sol. ¿Sí? Ok. Esta es la clase por hoy del volcán Poás.
Going to see the waterfall, as you can see here.